if you are a hardcore movie fan like me and remember the time when our favorite heroes used to change their appearance completely. Like if you talk about movies like James Bond, Mission Impossible, or even the popular series Game of Thrones, where we see our favorite characters just turning their identities, changing into a new character, new personality. So today I bring you a very interesting tool that will help you in keeping your identity safe on the internet. How will it happen? Suppose if there is any website or application where you have to upload your picture, so you can change your appearance and upload it there and your identity will be safe. And for my audience, this video is just for educational purposes. So without wasting any time, let's just dive into my computer screen because I am very excited to show you how this tool works. So as you can see, the name of this tool is Erase ID. Keep people, remove identities, create and edit synthetic identity. So that's the motto of this tool and I'm really curious to see how it works. So for that, the first thing that you have to do, you have to log in. You can either log in with your email or Gmail ID. And one more thing is there, this tool is not free, but for the first time users, they give you some credits and you can use it on some of your pictures to see how it works. So I'm going to show you with one of my pictures and I'll try to create a new identity. So let's start. As you can see, I have already logged in here and now I'm going to drag and drop an image. So I have already selected an image that I want to change. So let's do it. So yeah, I have selected my image. Now they're asking me a few questions. Do you want to change hairstyle? Of course, I want to change my hairstyle because I just want my complete identity to be changed. So let's see. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to upload it. Now it's uploading. So it will take a few minutes, I guess, a few seconds. Let's see how long it takes. I'm going to tell you here. So yeah, as you can see, it just took me like around 10 seconds to do so. And this is my picture. So yeah, I believe it's gonna change my identity the way I want. So it's loading right now and let's see how it goes. So I'm pretty excited to see how accurate this tool is. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for a couple of more seconds. These are some of the early results. And as you can see, if I go to original and I go to new, this result is not that convincing as compared to my original photo because I can differentiate like, yeah, these two pictures are altered. So let's see what new changes it can bring. So I'm going to edit it. As you can see, there is an edit option here. There are some keywords that I have to type. As you can see, we have given it a couple of more instructions like my age should be 24. My gender is male. Glasses, I need eyeglasses. Emotions, happy. And facial hair, I need a beard. Now let's see. What are the new results? Will it be accurate? I don't know. So it's loading here. Now I'm looking 24. Can't say with my body, but obviously from my face, it's pretty accurate. And yeah, as compared to my original photo, I was looking a bit serious here, a bit dull, with no facial hairs. And at the same time, the new picture it has generated, I'm looking more happy with a couple of facial hairs and the eyeglasses are there. And somewhere my hairstyle is also changed. So yeah, this can work, but I want to experiment more. Let's see what else it brings out. Age 24, gender male, glasses, eyeglasses, facial hair, beard, country United Kingdom, eye color blue, emotion confident. So yeah, this time I'm more excited because this result is pretty accurate. I want to see what new result it brings. So let's go. Okay, as you can see, it's processing here. Fingers crossed once again. Let's see what new result is there. Yeah. Wow. I wish I can show this picture to my mother. She will be amazed like, what is this? As you can see, there are a few imperfections here. Like I told the tool to make my eye color blue, but at the same time, you can see my glasses also in blue. But yeah, it's pretty accurate. Like talking about if I remove my body till here, it's going to be a genuine British guy. As you can see the entire look and appearance, I can get an idea. But you know what? There's something more that I want to experiment here. What if I change my gender? Currently, I'm male. Let's try to make it a female and let's see how it comes out. Now I'm more curious to see the feminine version of myself. Like age 24, country India, I'm Indian, so that's why India. Colors are blue. Let's make it brown because my eye color is brown. So let's make it brown. Hair type straight, eyebrows thin, hair length medium, eye color brown. So let's go for it. Okay, wow. I can see a feminine version of myself here and it is pretty accurate. Like obviously you can see the skin color difference like of the face and the neck, but at the same time the hair is accurate. You can see the eyeglasses, those brown eyes, eyebrows being thin. I'm going to send it to my mother and I'm going to see her reaction, what she says. Like, okay, she's gonna laugh. And obviously this Adam's apple does not look good, but yeah, if we just talk about the face, it is genuinely accurate if I have to say. It completely changed my identity. And we have already created 4 pictures in just a couple of minutes. So you can use this tool too and do experiment with a bit. You can share it with your friends. You can create some happy moments. But at the same time, please use these tools very carefully because obviously we want our privacy to be there. And but don't use it for any other purposes or any bad purposes. You know what I'm saying here. And I've already told you that this video is just for education purpose because such tools are there. It's very interesting and it can help you in many ways. If used correctly, you can save your internet identity. You won't dive into any privacy breach or something, but please use this for only educational purposes. So if you're experimenting on this tool and creating some of the cool pictures of yours, so don't forget to tag us at the rate GeekFlareHQ on Instagram, or you can just tell us in the comment section what was your reaction and how accurate was this tool. And we are going to bring such amazing tools every week. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell because every week we are going to bring such amazing tools to your screen. And if you have any recommendation, do tell us in the comment section below. Till then, I'm going to see you in the next video. This is your host, Ritesh Jha, signing off. Bye-bye.